the delivery of projects tomorrow will look dramatically different than today. The impact of technology, data, and the speed of change is driving the need for radical adaptability. P1 is navigating the increasing complexity of our industry with agility, innovation, and dedicated expertise. P1 Construction has been a trusted partner in large manufacturing, hyperscale data center, and off-site construction work for decades. As P1 has continued to put our multi-trade fabrication capabilities to work in a variety of markets, the increase in large manufacturing and hyperscale data center projects has created the need for advanced off-site manufacturing, also known as OSM, a need P1 has risen to meet with innovative solutions through innovative thinking. In addition to our original multi-trade facility in Lawrence, Kansas, P1 continues to expand our OSM facilities to include locations dedicated to specialty pipe, millwright laser processing, and sheet metal. These are in addition to our 220,000 square foot facility which houses pipe, plumbing, and electrical off-site manufacturing, and our 32,000 square foot facility dedicated exclusively to architectural metal. None of this would be possible without P1's innovative thinkers and experts in the OSM space. P1's ability to meet today's customer needs with turn-on-a-dime solutions and new ways of approaching the work is purely because of our associates who demonstrate agility, innovation, dedicated expertise, and good old-fashioned grit each day.